It is officially strawberry season, and I swear that these truffles taste just like strawberry shortcake. You only need 4 ingredients. Get yourself some graham crackers, a sleeve will do you, and put it in a food processor. Then get fresh strawberries, dice up half a cup, and put it in there with the graham crackers, but don't pulsate it too much because you want some pieces in there. Get 3/4 cups of almond flour. I know, trust the process, and when it scrapes up the sides, you know it is done. Then get a dish and put those insides in the fridge for about an hour. It makes it easier to roll the balls. And once you roll the balls, you put it in the freezer for an hour. I also pulsate some graham crackers, but not too fine because you want those for the topping. I then melt vanilla chips, and be careful you don't over melt them because they can burn. And then I put those balls into the fridge for about an hour or two, and voila, you have these great tasting strawberry shortcake truffles. The recipe will be listed.